How much time are you wasting typing your messages into Microsoft Teams? Voice to text might be the answer. Voice to text options can be a big time saver, especially if your keyboard skills are closer to hunt and peck than a speed typist. Surprisingly, dictation or voice to text isn't yet an integrated Teams feature, although it may be an option in upcoming updates. So I'm here composing a conversation in a Teams channel. And although there are lots of formatting options, we don't see dictation. So we're going to use a shortcut using the Windows key to enable the voice to text option. This key is typically found on the left of your keyboard between Control and Alt. The shortcut combination is the Windows key plus the letter H to launch voice typing. Let's try that. Here we have the voice to text dialog. Period. I'll press Win H again to pause it, but I can also just simply click on the microphone, whatever makes the most sense for you. At this point then, let's look at our settings. I want to make sure that I have the right microphone set up, so it's good to just check this out. And right now, automatic punctuation is turned off. We'll turn that on in a moment. Let's go back to our conversation. Win H to continue. Notice how easy it is to start talking, and it's automatically captured into your messages, period. You can use this in Teams, in chat, or your conversations as I'm demonstrating, period. I paused it again. That worked really well. Now, a couple things to keep in mind with this is that it will automatically pause or stop if you start editing anything in that message. I'll come back here to settings, turn on that automatic punctuation, and let's continue. What do you think of this dictation option? I think it can be a big time saver for you in Microsoft Teams. So you'll have to try the automatic punctuation. It probably depends upon your inflections. And in this case, it did not get that question mark, but not too bad. And that still might be a big time saver for you. It all depends upon what you're comfortable with in working with it. Now we'll look at one more thing here, and that is in the settings, voice typing launcher. If you'd like to keep the option active, this is a great way to make sure that wherever you're in a text box, such as chat or conversation, it will automatically be enabled. The bonus is that this voice to text option in Windows isn't limited just to Teams. First of all, go ahead and close this and send this message on its way. And here I'm in chat. Now, if you've enabled it, that voice launcher should pop up for you. But if you don't see it or it wasn't something that you enabled, remember all you have to do is press Win H, and here we can respond very quickly to Adele's message, period. How can you use this handy voice typing option to save time creating messages in Microsoft Teams? To learn more ways to be productive with Microsoft Teams or to join my free tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/teams. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for other time-saving software tips. Thanks for watching.